Do you struggle with thumb arthritis? Everyday tasks like opening jars, turning keys, and typing and writing can become frustrating. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful acupressure points that you can use at home to naturally relieve thumb pain and stiffness without needles. And for even better results, I'll show you how to use a TENS device to electrically stimulate these points and reduce pain more effectively. I will share a link on how to purchase one of these devices and a video link on how to set up the TENS device to stimulate acupuncture-like effects here. You may choose any 2 out of the 3 acupressure points listed in this video and try it out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pain relief tips from EastWest Physiotherapy Burnaby. The first point is called large intestine 4, also known as Hegu. This is a popular and well-known point for pain relief throughout the body and is most important for helping thumb arthritis. You'll find it on the back of your hand in the fleshy web between the thumb and index finger. When you pinch your thumb and index fingers together, it's right at the highest bulge. Use your opposite thumb and index fingers to press into this point and hold for about 30 to 60 seconds using firm circular pressure. You can do this 2 to 3 times a day. The LI4 is a fantastic point that helps with headaches, shoulder, and wrist pain, and it boosts immunity and even improves their digestion. The next point that is also on the large intestine channel is large intestine 5, also known as Yangxi, located in the anatomical snuff box, that little hollow at the base of your thumb when you extend your thumbs backwards on the inside of your thumb extensor tendon. This point is especially effective for CMC joint arthritis, one of the most common causes of thumb pain. Recent studies have even targeted this exact area with acupuncture to help with thumb osteoarthritis pain relief. To stimulate this point, use your finger and apply steady pressure into that hollow, again for 30 to 60 seconds, a few times a day as appropriate. Lastly, we have lung 7, a lung meridian point located about 1.5 inches above your wrist crease on the thumb side of the forearm. Aside from being a great point for lung and breathing issues, lung 7 is also helpful for neck pain, headaches, and most importantly, for your thumb pain. Apply firm circular pressure here for about a minute and repeat as needed. If you have a TENS device, place the electrode pads on 2 of the 3 acupuncture points. Because these pads are generally bigger, you don't have to be super accurate with these points. Once the device is set to an acupuncture-like setting mode, gradually increase the intensity to a level that is strong but still comfortable. Begin with a 15-minute session and see how you feel afterwards. You may repeat this 2 to 3 times per day as tolerated. I hope these points, whether applied through acupressure or with your TENS device, can offer some relief for your thumb arthritis pain. Thanks so much for watching. We really hope this video was helpful. Please consider subscribing to our channel to help support us in continuing creating content like this. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.